Hello friends, this is Professor Iqbal here, and today we will discuss modal verbs. The word modal is derived from the noun mood, which refers to the mood of the speaker. So modal is an adjective which is derived from the word mood, which refers to the mood of the speaker. Now let us understand how can we use will in different conditions. Will can be used in different conditions, and which are the important conditions where we can use will. The first condition, when we are determined and when we talk about promise, we use will. So for determination and promise, we can use will. For example, she will speak instead of you. She will speak instead of you. When she is determined, when somebody is determined to do something, at that time you can say she will speak instead of you, because she is determined, she is prepared, she is determined to speak. Next one, suppose if there is a good speaker, and everybody listens to him, so at that time you can say he will be heard, or Vijay will be heard, because he is a good orator, he is a good speaker. The next one, when it comes to promise, in what different ways we can say I will try to get a job. I will try to get a job. I will not forget her. So I will try to get a job. I will not forget her, or I will never forget her. It refers to the promise. I will try to get a job. This is a promise given by me to someone, and I will never forget her. I will never forget her because she has done a lot of good things for me. So when I am talking about determination and promise, I am going to use will. Okay, so she will speak instead of you. Vijay will be heard. I will try to get a job. Okay, and I will never forget her. These are the 4 examples which will talk about determination and promise. Now let us understand, even we can use will to talk about the possibility. Possibility is something that can happen, that can take place in the near future. There are chances of happening, that there are some chances of something to happen in the future, the nearby future. Now, he will come tomorrow. That is the possibility. He will come tomorrow. Oh, it will rain tomorrow. It will rain tomorrow, because the conditions are very cloudy. The conditions are very cloudy, and because of cloudy conditions, or because there is haze in the cloud, what will happen? There are chances of raining. So it will rain tomorrow. The conditions are not good. Okay, today in the evening, if the conditions are not good, then you can say it will rain tomorrow. Or he will not come tomorrow. He has some work, and you can say he will not come tomorrow. He will not come tomorrow. So suppose there is a fixed time for every train. But because of some reasons, today the train has arrived early. So you can say in the future, the train will arrive early today. So this shows the possibility. The train will arrive early today. So this is the possibility, because the train has left the last platform very early. The train has left the last platform very early, and it is the possibility that the train may come early today. And then you can also say Ria is a good girl. She has done good things in her life. So you can say Ria will get a good husband. So this is the possibility. Okay, this is the possibility. So to talk about possibility also, we can use will. See, once again I give the examples of possibility. It will rain tomorrow. He will not come tomorrow. The train will arrive tomorrow. Ria will get a good husband. Now, at the same time, will can be used for threat and warning. What does this mean? So if I want to warn someone, if I want to threaten someone or to warn someone, I can use will. For example, I will see you personally. This is warning, because he has done a lot of harm to me. He has really done a lot of harm to me. So when you want to give somebody warning, at that time you can use will. So I will see you personally. I will teach her a lesson. If somebody cheats you, at that time what you can say? I will teach her a lesson. Suppose if somebody is trying to unplug the switch, at that time you can say, don't go there, it will harm you. Do it with a lot of care, it will harm you. Do it with a lot of care or it will harm you. So we can use will for threatening or warning. For threat and warning you can use will. I will see her personally, I will teach her a lesson, it will harm you. At the same time, will can also be used for request. Okay, will you help me? Will you get me a glass of water? Will you do that for me? Will you do that for me? Okay, so these are the examples of a request. Will you lend me some money? Will you close that window? These all are the examples where it reflects to request, expression of request. So it expresses here a request. Now when we want somebody to do something for us, at that time it takes the expression of request. Will you help me? I'm asking the person to do something for me. Will you get me a glass of water? Will you lend me some money? Because I badly need some money. So will you lend me some money? Will you get me a glass of water? Because I'm thirsty. I'm requesting someone to do something. Okay, will you close the window? Because it is storm outside. The air is moving so fast. There is a strong wind outside. So I can say, will you close the window? So this is all about will. So we can use will into 4 different conditions when we are expressing something. Okay.